Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. Now, a new project from agent Sasko. The artist has announced his intention to drop a new album by May. Sasko has been very focused on the project, recording all the material at his own recording studio. His 2016 album, The Theory of Reggaetivity, received major accolades in the dancehall circles for the quality and depth of the album. The album, which is close to completion, presently has 14 tracks. Legendary reggae singer Beerus Hammond is dropping new music. The latest release is titled My Kinda Girl. The song is produced by Jambian Music, which recently gained international notoriety with the release of Charlie Black's Party Animal hit single. My Kinda Girl will be digitally distributed by VPAL Music and is scheduled for release on January 26.
I know you're stating this is where you belong. You're my kind of girl. You're my kind of girl. You're my kind of girl.
Beerus Hammond is known for classic deliveries such as She Loves Me Now, What One Dance Can Do, I Feel Good, and many more. The Gregory Isaacs Foundation will again host their annual charity event dubbed Red Rose for Gregory. The event this year will feature performances from international recording artist Kelly Price, Freddie McGregor, the 2017 Digicel Rising Stars winner Shot Boss, among others. Red Rose for Gregory takes place on Ash Wednesday, February 14 at the Jamaica College Auditorium. On the international scene, tributes are pouring in for legendary South African musician and activist Hugh Masekela, who passed away at his home in Johannesburg. Masekela suffered from prostate cancer for almost a decade. His last performance in 2010, when he gave 2 concerts, was seen as the epitaph to his long career.
In Alabama, doing it in Mississippi, he's doing it in Venezuela, and in Ohio too, doing it in New York City, doing it in Nigeria.
South African President Jacob Zuma, in his tribute to the artist, said the nation will mourn one who has kept the torch of freedom alive. Masekela was 78 years old. And that's it for this evening's edition of E Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.